Welcome to Minikun Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to delete any blank page in Microsoft Word document. I repeat again, please mark my words, any blank page. What that means is if you follow what I'm going to show you carefully, you should be able to delete any blank page in your Word document. The methods that I'm going to show you are not different from what you might have seen in other tutorials, but there's a hidden secret, especially behind the use of the paragraph marker. In many of the tutorials that I watched, they use the paragraph marker, and I will show you how to use it properly. In trying to delete my blank page, for instance, in this particular Word document, the blank page is found at the bottom. In trying to delete it, I use a paragraph marker following the instructions that are given in many tutorials, but I couldn't do it. But I finally discovered a secret, and I will share with you. In the second example, the blank page will be found in between any two other pages. For example, between page 8 and page 9 over here, or is it page 10? We have page 9 is blank. So how do we delete a blank page that is found in between any two pages? And that's this in the second example. But in the first example, we look at how to delete a blank page, which is the last page of your Word document. So without wasting my time, let's start. Now, what does this paragraph marker do? When you hit on the paragraph marker, what it does is that it selects all your paragraphs. In other words, all the very times that you hit the enter key. So for instance, if I should select the paragraph marker over here, it will show us all our introduced paragraphs. That's all the many times that we hit the enter key. So for instance, starting from the beginning, as you can see, it has shown us all the different times that we hit the enter key. You see, so what that means is, let me remove the paragraph marker and show you something. Okay, so in my Word document, let me just click on the button and I've removed the paragraph marker. Right now, if I should come over here, this is the blank page over here that I want to delete. Okay, so in this blank page, let's just assume I start to hit enter several times. What that means is that I've introduced some new other paragraphs. Anytime you hit the enter key, it means you are introducing a new paragraph. So if I should come and click on the paragraph marker, you realize that now we have several paragraph markers. Initially there was just one, but now we have many of them. This is what happens sometimes when writing our manuscript, or when we are writing in Microsoft Word. What happens is that we sometimes hit the enter key and later delete the text. However, Excel, sorry, I don't know why I like saying Excel, sorry. However, Microsoft Word still keeps record of all the paragraph that we introduce, all the blank spaces. So this is what constitutes sometimes the blank page that we find at the end of the day, and we cannot delete it, So now I will show you how to delete it. In many of the videos that I found, all they told me was that you simply come and select the paragraph marker, and then you come and, for instance, as soon as you select the paragraph marker, and then it marks all your paragraphs, you come to the blank page and come and select all these symbols over here, all the paragraph markers. You select them like this, and then you hit the delete button or the backspace button. I tried, it never worked for me, but when I watched in some tutorials it worked, but in my case it never worked. So I'm going to show you the secret behind this. It could be just one paragraph marker, it could be many other paragraph markers. Like in our case, let's try in the first example. In the first example, I'll delete I'll go press the backspace, and let's assume that I just have one paragraph marker in my blank page. As you can see, they told me that all I had to do was to if it's just one or if it's many, all you have to do is just select it. In the first example, let's assume it's just one paragraph marker that is found in the blank space or the blank page. You simply select it and then you hit the backspace key. It's not deleted. Let's assume we have several of them. So hit the enter key. We have several of them. Now if I should select all of them and hit the backspace key, you make sure you select all of them starting from the very first one. You select all of them. Now hit the backspace key or the delete key. It's still not deleted. Now let me show you the magic or the secret behind this. The secret is that you have to select all these paragraph markers over here, including those in the page with the text. You know, so from your blank page, you make sure you select all these paragraph markers. You press and hold without dropping the mouse. Then within the page with the text, you select all the paragraph markers, or if, let's say, for instance, in this case, there's no paragraph marker, there's just a section break over here. So you select including a section break. You just select everything till you reach the very first letter and you now stop. So let's try that and see. So let's select this paragraph marker over here. It could be just one, you select it. If there are many, you select all of them. So we have to make sure we select everything that is here. You press and hold, then you move up. You make sure you've selected it very well. You select it this way. Now you move up, sorry. Okay, so you move up, and when you click and hold, don't drop. When you get onto the next page, you make sure you select everything as I told you. I've even selected a section break mark over here. You select everything excluding the first letter. You see? So I've selected everything excluding the first letter. Now if I should hit the backspace or the delete button, you realize that our page will be deleted. Our blank page will be deleted. Let me minimize and do it so that you see the blank page. This is a blank page right here, right? This is a blank page over here. So now that I've selected the paragraph markers, including everything within the next page or the page upstream with the text, apart from the first letter, because we don't want to delete our text. Now if I should hit the backspace, our blank page will vanish. You hit at once. You see the magic? Our blank page is deleted. And now you can come and just click on the, what do we call it, the paragraph marker button, and remove remove the paragraph markers. You just have to come and click on this. Sorry, just come and click on it, and now you remove the paragraph markers, but your blank page is gone. Okay, now let's move to the second example. In the second example, the page is found in between any two given pages. So in this particular article, we have a blank page over here. Page 9 is blank, as you can see. Let me zoom for it to be clear. Okay, so in this example, as you can see, we have an article, and then somewhere between between page 8 and 10, we have a blank page. So that what that means is page 9 is actually blank. Now how do we delete page 9? It's the same principle. All you have to go and do is come over here. You come over here, come and click on home, and then you come and click on the paragraph marker button over here. So you click on it, and it has selected all our paragraphs. So you scroll down to your blank page. Okay, so you see we are now in the blank page. So this is between this. Okay, this is the blank page right here. Page 9 is the blank page. As you can see, there's no text in page 9. This page 10 here. So page 9 is the blank page. This page 10, page 9 is the blank page, and we want to delete page 9. But page 9 is found in between page 8 and page 10. So let's now see how we can delete page 9. It's the same principle. All you have to do is in this case, sorry for the interruption. So like I said, you have to select everything that is in your blank page, and then you move upstream. You just go up and select everything that is within the other page with the text, with the exception of the very first letter or the punctuation mark of of that particular page. That's to say, you have to select everything with a with apart from the text. You select everything. That's, you select the, what do we call it, the paragraph marker, including the last paragraph marker, with the exception of the text itself. You select everything. So let's do that and see. So you click somewhere here, you left click, and without dropping the mouse, you just click and hold, and then you move upstream. So you see that now we are out of page 9, which is our blank page. We are in the next page, but we still haven't dropped the mouse. We are still going up. I will not select the, okay, if I should select the text, as soon as I hit the delete key, it means I'll delete my text. So I'll not select the text. So I'll select everything at all apart from the text. So you see, apart from my point, my full stop, everything is selected. You see, and this is my blank page, as you can see. Now, if as soon as I hit the delete key or the backspace key, page 9 will be deleted. So as you can see, this is page 10 over here. So as soon as I delete page 9, page 10 will now become page 9. So the page 9 is the blank page, as you can see. And now page 8 will now become page, I don't know, whatever, page 7 or whatever. So let's simply hit the delete key to delete our page 9, which is the blank page. So after we've done the selection, simply hit the backspace or the delete key. Let me minimize so that everything will be clear. Okay, so this is our page 9 over here. Our page 9 is the blank page, as you can see. Sorry. So let's go ahead and hit the delete key or the backspace key. See the magic? As soon as I hit the backspace key, page 9 is deleted, and now as you can see, page 10 has now become page 9, and the blank space is gone. We no longer have it. Sorry. Alright, so as you can see, this is how we delete blank pages in Microsoft Word. And I hope my tutorial has helped you out. If you have any explanation or any other thing, any comment or any remarks, please comment at the video, like and share with friends who might need similar help. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.